Now we're moving now. I feel like I really got through this last half so much faster. I like messed up my fingernail trying to open these the whole time. Just ripping them open. But now I got it. 3 more. Last one. Yeah. Now we start the fun part. Almost. Yeah. Switch vendors, please. Sell pre-opened, disassembled switches, please. So much work just to take them apart. I think what I'm gonna do is bag lube the springs, as I normally do. Yeah, let me go grab this switch piece. There, got it. A couple of them that flew while I was opening. Alright, gonna start the looping now, finally. After a while of struggling with these. I think these are not pre-looped. Yeah, they're not at all. Just great. Less work. Cool, cool. So, I'm gonna start with the springs. Yeah, I'm just gonna bag loop these because it doesn't make that much of a difference whether you hand loop springs or not, right? No, I don't think it does. You could, and it doesn't make a difference, I'll be honest. The only difference is you don't get tangled springs at the end, but yeah, it's not that bad. Saves so much time. Just untangling springs is so much simpler than trying to lube these individually. Right here. Seems good. They look glistening. Alright. I'm gonna go get some thing to pick these up so I don't get my hands all gross. You're right. Time to start. Alright. Cool, cool. Got the. Where's my Crytox? Gonna be using 205 grade 0 on these today. What I normally do with linears, at least. Cool. Cool, cool. Hopefully we get to the vast majority of the bulk of this. Because these are, I think, 100 switches. Decent amount today. But should be okay. Always get cat hair on this for some reason. Check on something with my internet. Just weird. BRB. Not sure. I think I did something. Not sure. Alright. Let this bottom housing go in here. Oh, these sound lubed. I haven't checked. I'm kind of excited to find out. Pretty good. I'm liking these. I did some strawberries the other day. Kind of leaning towards those, but I guess we'll see. Never know until you put it on the board, really. I don't know where this cat hair comes from. Not even here, but the cat hair is everywhere. I feel like I should be doing the bottom housings first. I feel like I'm kind of doing this backwards. Holy, it's Cat. No way. Cat has joined us. Yo, yo, what up? He's just gonna chill here now. Think he just woke up from a nap. All he does is sleep, huh? Now I gotta put featuring Cat. Hello, Cat. How you doing? How was your sleep? I like how I said I don't know where this cat hair is coming from, and here he is. Gotta get the full effect of Cat. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, there's Cat. Kinda. He's still way he's too tall. He's a big cat, honestly. He's not even I don't know if he's supposed to be this big. He's so big, just big in general. Not bumping the mic, man. Nice. Did you enjoy that? He's very weird with like rubbing his face on stuff. I don't know what that is. Uh, I would like to continue switch lubing Cat, please. It's like headbutting my face. Yeah. He's always like this when he wakes up. Cuddly. I think I don't know how well he's gonna let me continue this.